Balai fikir baju kerja nak kapor entah hak ni ke video ngan batai sepang ke sekolah sim. Te kita ke baju pi yang ke video jongna ha kane ke channel jing start Khasi siap happy ya kane ke video ha tu bakun kenang ba phin yo ya ke jing tip na kane ke video. Kumba usi am ula pin tip ba un Pynbeit ya ke baskulah sim mentah Khasi te Aku akan discuss about phim ke students ke baju sim ya ke problem ban yo ya kane ke baskulah sim tengah kuat ban ke dia phi da jo em ya kata ke baskulah sim barapan lai da usi em badon beram jongi minta Khasi te saya comment section kenang bangen tip ya kita ke students ke bai layo bat ke bompat yo bar kitu ke bompat yo ro sa comment section but ngan chana so ya ki video sepang ke sekolah sim bat ngan discuss ya ke problem jong phim te kito ke pompat yo ya ka baskulah sim nya bahasa sek ya ki detail ha ka ID jong phi khamtam ha ka OTR but sa login ha ka OTR jong phi basa pe jau Aadhaar seeding status ke jong phi ka long kumnom ada ka long kum ne jasa kli hang ne bal ada phede kli hang to bar ka long kum ne te kamut ba phya rekam ban lek ni sabang ban link yo Aadhaar jong phi bar ka bank account jong phi tila da pila deban link ya ka Aadhaar jong phi bat ka bank account jong phi henry ha ka OTR jong phi ka sok komne te kamut pidan kamban le KYC ya ka bank account jong phi mo kolong te itu ke students ke bang pompat yo ya kane ka scholarship yo ha sa sim khya ban pendep ya kine kenang ba pin yo ya ka scholarship nambar macam senem ro don ki bompat yo ya kan scholarship henry haden ba kila de Pynbeit ya ki ke jing bakla le jing duna jongka application joki ki yo par haden ya kata ka scholarship bolong te yang ini skap ya kan ke jing keren jong CM badan berjong.
Hi guys, I have some good news especially for our students. On the 27th of August, which is day after tomorrow, we will be releasing the umbrella scholarship for our ST students. 96,000 plus students will be receiving approximately 93 crores of scholarship, which is amounting to 40% of the total amount. The rest of the 60% we are pursuing with the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India, and we are very hopeful that we'll get it very soon. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you very much.
The RBI, the system that they're putting into place, may take 4 to 5 to 6 working days for some cases. So therefore, I'm putting a caveat right now that we are, the funds have been, rather the names have been given, the entire process has been completed, RBI is starting the process. So please don't put any messages on my social media saying, sir, I haven't received the money yet. Okay? I'm telling you now only that yes, you will not receive. Maybe some of you will, some of you may not. Because it is going to take maybe 5 working days plus minus, because there are 96,000 accounts. And RBI is now processing. It's not like our state where we had all the system ready. RBI is giving this SNS purge for thousands of accounts, for thousands of streams to many, many states in the country. So hence this process is going to be tedious, but we have got an assurance from RBI that they're looking at maximum of 5 days. So I am giving you that heads up right now, so that none of you have any reason to blame or complain to me later.